Hi, I'm Mark Stuart. I'm a professional trainer and facilitator based in Singapore, where I've been living for the past 15 years. Since leaving my last corporate job 11 years ago, I've worked with over 650 organizations, training leaders from the most successful companies in 22 countries around the world. Prior to this, I spent over 16 years working for some of the largest investment banks, giving me an understanding of the complexities that leadership brings. I wanted to give you a little bit more information on how I can work with you to ensure your workshop is a success. Should I be selected as your trainer, I'd start working with you to customize the outline, the slides, the case studies to better fit your learning objectives. Over the past couple of years, we've seen organizers want more interaction and engagement from their speakers. So we often use tools that allow us to poll audiences' reactions, the feedback, and even some quizzes. My mission is to add value to the workshop, to your attendees, to ensure they walk away with some pragmatic tools and techniques that they can start to implement straight away in their jobs.